Cumudul dah keselam. Kan long kemno sarai. Kau gangam lut barok spok hendau.
Lo ayap tu meh. Memtip isu na.
Iding buon pak cakasya nama. Atrai di pentip nai kibriyo sir. Kibriyo le menta ki thiet taman yok lom centiam.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kaseng Achik State People's Front Lingba ka Shithi Balasoi daka General Secretary Jongka Bernita Marang bat ka bala phasha u Conrad K Sangma u National President Jongka NPP uba Vincent H Pala President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee batsha uba Charles Pingro President Jongka Meghalaya Pradesh Trinamool Congress kila Dawa na kiniki lightly ki seng sign parthai baki diban Weng no ya ka tiket kabakila a ki beriu ki bamde ki Garo ya kabakila pha bakin yakun hakani ka election MDC ka baminta sa Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Kani ka senggal ong baki don laingot ki beriu ki balayo tiket hakani ka election MDC ka baminta bat baro laingot ki deki kertong na Beta Singh constituency kata u Sanjay Coach na kaseng NPP u Ajitev Coach na kaseng Congress bat u Himandra Hajong na kaseng TMC.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.